In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Ads account language. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, from the home page of Google Ads, go to the left sidebar and look for Admin. Click on it. Then click Preferences. Then in Preferences, you'll find a Display Language and Number Format option. Click on it. Now, click on the Display Language drop-down and choose your desired language. Then you can see that your language has been selected. Keep in mind that changing your language will automatically change the number format to the respective language you chose. You can see when I change the language, the number format is also updated. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Then Google Ads will refresh the page and update your language. Google Ads will now display the interface in your selected language. And that's it. That's how you change your Google Ads account language. Thanks for watching.